So in order to switch between controllers and hand tracking, you're going to want to go to settings to make sure that these settings are on. Go down to our movement tracking. At the top you can see hand and body tracking, then automatically switch between controllers and hands, then double tap controllers for tracking, and then the auto switch sensitivity between high and low. And I'll show you here on high, I set the controllers down and instantly the controllers are gone and it's just showing my hands. I'm going to turn that on to low and you'll see that I'll put the controllers down and my hands will actually be in front of my face or out, but my hands will still be holding the controllers in the screen. So that's how that works. The second way is it shows there's double tap controllers for hand tracking. So you can see here, you just tap them together like that and boom, they're gone. Now it's tracking my hand instead. So that's a really easy way to switch between controller and hand tracking. Just click another button or so on the controller and it'll switch back to controller tracking. Check out my other videos on MetaQuest tips. We'll see you next time on Brian Sloan Artist.